Good evening, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. Today, I'll be giving lecture on linear programming. It is a very simple topic, and I have made it simple with the help of mnemonics. I'm coming with my notes. Thank you. Hello, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I have come with my notes. Linear programming made simple. This is chapter number 12 in your NCERT of plus 2 class. Now, we'll start with LPP, linear programming problem. Why the name linear is there? Because we will be dealing with variables which shall be having degree 1. So there will be linear functions will be there. That is why the name is linear. Programming means planning. This planning, when this LPP came into existence, and who were the scientists or mathematicians behind this? This happened in 1942 in World War II. There was a need for making planning for going for war, and the main purpose was that there should be a less of losses, however, maximum damage to the enemy. With that, this thing in mind, this LPP came to the forefront, and one Russian mathematician, Kantorovich, and one American mathematician, they both were awarded even Nobel Prize for creating the linear programming. And this linear programming problem involves 3 prayers. NOC, no objection certificate. You have to remember it like this. This is a mnemonic. Non-negative variables, it means the variables x and y, here only 2 variables will be there, and they have to be non-negative. X is greater than equal to 0, y is also greater than equal to 0. Then every planning is done with an objective in mind, and this is the objective function, and it is denoted with z. So it is mix of the two, ax plus by. Now, whenever we are doing any planning, and when we practically go for it, we find there are constraints. These constraints are less than equal to, greater than equal to, less than, and greater than. These symbols are constraints. Now, we'll be going ahead. Look here. Types of problems. The main purpose of linear programming problem is to optimize the profits in business organization or minimize the cost. Now look here. There are 3 types of problems which we will be dealing in the linear programming. These are DMT, Delhi Metro Train. दिल्ली मेट्रो ट्रेन, ऐसे याद रखना है आपको निमोनिक से. D stands for diet problem, M stands for manufacturing problem, T stands for transportation problem. And these 3 problems means you have to go for these 3 types of questions, and that question part will be taking tomorrow. However, some definitions we will discuss so that the topic is made clear to you. some definitions on parameters used in the linear programming. The first one is decision variables. So decision variables are the unknowns to be determined from the data of the problem. They are basically x and y. Objective function. Now, a LPP is one that is concerned with finding the optimal value. Optimum means either maximum or minimum of a linear function of several variables. So, Kantoru, who made the transportation problem, was having 28 variables. However, we are having only two here, x and y. So, C stands for constraints. Constraints are basically these are actually the problems which we face while implementing any project. So, the main problems which any business organization faces is M cube. M cube. Men, machinery, and money. These are represented by inequalities. And the next is feasible region. This feasible region is set of the values of the decision variables satisfying all the constraints. So this is known as feasible solution. This topic is very, very important. Not only in +2, it is also used in BCom, MBA and others, and in operational research also. So we'll be coming up tomorrow with the how to solve the problems, and problems I have told you, these are only three: Delhi metro train, diet problems, manufacturing problems, and transportation problems. I hope this introductory part you might have understood, and tomorrow we'll be taking up the questions part. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I'll request you to please like the videos and subscribe it, and share it to your friends so that they are also benefited. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye.